ज्या तरेन सध्या कायदे करप चल्ला, do you think there is application of mind behind enactment of those laws, or because there is a sense that we have a brute majority and we can get any legislation through? What do you think is happening?
See, you look at it both the ways, okay? Sometimes there is a genuine belief that Amji Karta is good for the people because it is gone through. But then there are certain legislations which unfortunately are not done for the love of the people. Okay. Straight, let me be frank about it. These amendments to the Town and Country Planning Act, these amendments in the Communal laws, these amendments in the government, what has been done now, these are not out of the necessity for the people. And as I said, and I stress again, these are the sources of corruption in Goa. These laws were not required. See, you have an ODP plan. That ODP plan is meant for the future 20 or 30 years as per the law. It takes into consideration what is required for the next 20, 30 years while preparing the ODP plan.
Correct.
So what we are doing now is, during the subsistence or existence of that plan, massive changes are taking place. And massive changes are taking place where? In our hinterlands. Our coast has been taken over. I'm going to get development, okay? But if you want, or even now, if you want to develop along the coastline, tourism is one of our basic sectors which generates. Okay, fine. Ask 4-star hotels, 5-star hotels, 7-star hotels. Plan for them. Or even 2-star because for the lower income group. Plan the place where people.
But plan.
But plan it. Plan that because people don't want to stay for more than 15 days, 20 days. So now what we are doing is just putting down there, not required, and changing the demography of our land. That is not acceptable.